Hello. At Filings Corner, we provide ISO 14001:2015 certification services to help businesses improve their environmental management practices while ensuring regulatory compliance and sustainability. Our team of chartered accountants, CAs, company secretaries, CSs, advocates, and MBAs ensures a seamless certification process. What is ISO 14001:2015? ISO 14001:2015 is an internationally recognized environmental management system, EMS, standard. It helps organizations identify and manage their environmental impact, minimize waste and pollution, enhance operational efficiency and sustainability. Who needs ISO 14001:2015 certification? ISO 14001:2015 is ideal for manufacturing units, construction companies, service providers, public sector organizations, retail and logistics companies, healthcare facilities. Key benefits of ISO 14001:2015. Here's what you gain with ISO 14001:2015. Regulatory compliance, reduced environmental impact, cost savings, risk mitigation, enhanced brand reputation, competitive advantage, employee engagement. Our certification process. The ISO 14001:2015 certification process is simple with Filings Corner. 1. Schedule a consultation. 2. Initial assessment. 3. Document submission. 4. Audit and compliance verification. 5. Certification issuance. Why choose Filings Corner? Here's why businesses trust us for ISO 14001:2015 certification. Accredited certification provider. Experienced environmental experts. End-to-end support. Fast, efficient, and cost-effective confidentiality and security. Documents required. For small and medium businesses. Business registration certificate, GST, MSME, etc. Environmental policy and resource usage documentation. Waste management and pollution control measures. Internal audit reports and corrective action records. For corporates and large enterprises. Incorporation certificate and legal registrations. Comprehensive EMS documentation and impact reports. Energy, water, and raw material consumption records. Training records and management review reports. Frequently asked questions. 1. Is ISO 14001:2015 mandatory? Not mandatory, but highly recommended for businesses committed to environmental sustainability and regulatory compliance. 2. How long does the certification process take? The timeline depends on business size, but is completed as per project requirements. Call to action, empowering close. Contact us now or visit filingscorner.com to start your ISO 14001:2015 certification journey. Let's make your business environmentally responsible and globally recognized.